Well, this is what I carried today. The code 4 inside of this little pouch. Took the pocket clip off, so when it's in that pouch, it just goes in the pocket a little bit better. It's comfortable. Yeah, nothing fancy, but I like the leather. Feels nice. It's grippy. This is a fun little project. Yep. It broke. Ain't that a bitch. Well, I'm gonna Frankenstein this thing. I got a bunch of chair parts that are poplar. It's some good wood. But dimensions are wrong, so I gotta, obviously cut it. Try to keep everything as the contours and everything original. Pretty slick. Perfect fit. I mean, it's not that hard, but this part was the matching. That's always fun. But that turned out good too. Most people are afraid to put it in the sun or their work. Always hiding something. Yep, just keeping it real. Couldn't drop this one off, but my daughter did. She said the customer loved it. Great.